Hello, Sabre fans. How's everyone doing? I'm making noise right off the bat. Well, I've got a one-off that I've been working on, and I am now ready to show it to the community. I do not have a name for it, but this is it. We've got the brass screws, the silver screws from a Star Killer, a lot of blinkies, and a lot of screws. This is copper. This is made out of brass. Brass. Got a lot of brass, got a lot of copper. Got a lot of knurling going on here. And the sound is like I said, a lot of blinkies. This is a brass chassis. .3D printed in gold PLA, and then this brass sleeve over it.
This place can be a little... Don't make me destroy you. Dark Jedi.
So, we have a string of LEDs in here in a circle. So that's what gives it the rotation appearance. We've got a stock V3 in the emitter. And we have a very nice removable battery. This is a, hey, something in there. There we go. I like literally just finished this. Nice. Snaps into place real nice. This is a Smuggler's Outpost 28 millimeter speaker, 4 ohms, 3 watts, and of course a Profi board with the kill switch and the crystal.
You, like your father, are now mine. Start.
And we have a let's see, the retention blade screw is right here. And of course, this gets its amazing sound once you tighten this down. Now, what I've done here is under this CoverTech, I've put a set screw in there because over time, these tend to maybe loosen a little. So there's a set screw that's holding this pommel in place. And the pommel is pushing up against the speaker. That's where you get the really awesome sound. And so this is, you can take this right here off and adjust that set screw. So you could loosen it up and tighten this up a little. It's only like a quarter turn. That's how much play it's got in it. I didn't want to machine that out in fear that it wouldn't push up against the speaker enough, because it needs a good snug fit to get that awesome sound.
They're pod racing on Alistair. Very fast, very dangerous.
So let's get a little closer look at the hilt. Like I said, a lot of machine work on this thing. It was a labor of love. And I think it turned out pretty good. The pommel, the chassis. Of course, sorry, all this was milled out manually. Every aspect of this hilt was done on manual equipment. So if you see a hole, if you see a slot, if you see a screw, that was all done by me. I didn't build the battery, the kill switch, the Profi, the crystal, or the stock V3 PCB, or the speaker, or this CoverTech, but everything else I've built. So this goes out to a customer probably on Thursday, and I am hoping that he is happy with the outcome of it, because I put everything I have into this. Every skill that I picked up along the way is in this hilt. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to take some pictures, and I will try to get all this loaded up tonight, although it is later than I had expected it to be. I took a little longer to do some more to it to get it finished. But that is it. You guys have a good one. Hey, I got an idea. Come up with a name for it. What do you think? What do you think? Leave a name in the comments. You guys have a good one.